Alright. There goes. Can you hear it? There's trees right over there breaking left and right. I've heard about 6 in the last 2 minutes. Go. Then there's one laying over here and it knocked the power out for a second. I think it blew the transformer on this house in the center over here because they still ain't got power. I'll move my vehicles over a little bit, make the truck guard the car, of course. But then I heard a couple of trees over that way break. Crazy. There goes another one. I can't hear it good because of the wind. Let's see if I can fix something up here. Try to. Let's see. I don't know if that'll help me, but I kind of tucked the microphone cord into my jacket. Oh, there goes another one. Let's see if I can get over here. Yeah, it's left and right trees falling over there. Oh, there goes power again. Another one must have hit a line. It's absolutely wreaking havoc in them woods.
It's flicker again, Cheyenne said?
Yeah. Did you not keep hearing trees? It's ripping trees down left and right.
There's a tree sideways over here.
What, out in the yard? Oh, yeah. See it right there? It's fell. It's caught up in them too. Oh. I'm trying to get out of the wind so that I can video and they can hear it. Here.
Whoa, dude.
Chill
I
out,
don't know
honey.
about all this.